Because having people staying with her as well wouldn't be helping.
No. That's fucking double lines, you dickhead!
Oh my god!
Lock the video.
Oh my god!
Start recording emergency video.
You absolute moron. Oh my god.
Somebody say my name.
You're going straight to Scotty, mate.
You motherfucker.
Oh shit, not good.
They just do a Yui. They did.
I didn't see.
Yeah, they were where these cars are turning. They chucked a Yui. So are you sure you're coming back? It's like if you tell me that it's like if you don't want me to come back, why don't you just come out and say?
Well, they can't. That's the thing. They can't say you can't come back because then she has unfair dismissal case on her hand. But also, it kind of also sounds like they found a good replacement for her leave.
Yeah.
They don't want to let him go, and on the off chance that she says actually they don't want him to be on his way out if she then changes her mind, which I get. But why don't they just find him a different job or see?
Busy. You know, I had. Oh, he's got a runner. I didn't really have to wear.
Everybody's checking us out. Yeah, they think we're pretty cool.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
have made the same findings. Dr. Matthew Morgan is a criminologist at the Australian Catholic University.
We've drawn together.
That has impacted distress in our community.
Look at that. Straight through the
Murray,
anyway.
She made burgers.
Oh, nice.
But with
Again.
pork.
Oh, pork. Yeah. What was the pork that she made last night?
Yeah.
Was it nice?
Yes.
Oh, did you do the parcel for me?
Yes, we did.
Thank you.
Yeah, that was a red light learner. S68 DJC.
And in front of somebody. Like, you know, it's not like there was no one coming.
If I'd noticed it, I would have tooted at them.
Don't, because they should be with someone, shouldn't they? If they're not with someone, they could be the instructor, which is important.
What do you think of that one, Scotty?
Don't look at me. I think these people are completely nuts.
All day, all week, we just start clearing the runway. Snow blowers, large blades on the loaders, bulldozers, scrapers behind tractors, we just got to pick up snow.
Jack McLeod manages the aerodrome. He says temperatures sometimes plunge below -30 degrees, and that blizzards often force the runway's closure. Weeks of hard work.
What the fuck?
All equity release options is whether you're taking on debt and interest or not. The government HAF or home equity access scheme works like a loan. It's aimed at age pensioners who want to top up their pension using the value of their home, but it's a loan, interest is charged.
Minus the tyre things
The property when you sell or pass
on
away.
the wheel
Homeowners
studs.
can receive regular payments.
That's a whole lot of bull, Scotty. Whole lot of bull.